Did you know Samsung have 3 different types of warranties? Kama interact with our website, then you've probably seen these tags: UAE, East Africa, and West Africa. So today we're going to be breaking them down so you know exactly what you're buying. Let's start with the UAE smartphones, otherwise known as the Dubai smartphones. And here are 3 things you need to know about them. First off, hizi simu zimetengenezwa specifically for the Dubai market. An example is the Samsung Galaxy M16. Secondly, these phones come at a very affordable. Okay, they are slightly more affordable than the phones made for the Kenyan market. Utapata they have a price difference of around 2,000 or 3,000 Kenyan shillings. And the third thing you need to know about these phones is that they do not come with a local warranty. Since zimetengenezwa for the Dubai market, the warranty only works in Dubai. So if you buy it in Kenya and the phone develops a problem and you take it to a Samsung care center, you'll have to pay for the service. Secondly, we have the East African warranty. Now you cover all the phones you interact with. That include the Samsung Galaxy A35, A36, A56 and so on and so forth. Na zinakonga na hii sticker hapa juu yenye imeandikwa 24 months warranty for Africa. The prices were the market standard for Samsung smartphones in East Africa. This means their prices are a little bit higher than the Dubai smartphones, and this is because zinakuja na the full Samsung warranty package, which includes a 2-year warranty for the smartphone and a 1-year screen warranty. If your phone develops any software or hardware related issue, alafu ipeleke to a Samsung center within that warranty period, simu yako itafixiwa for absolutely free. And thirdly, we have the West African Samsung smartphones. Disclaimer, they share the same warranty tag with the East African smartphones, but they do not come with a local warranty. Basically, it's the same as the Dubai smartphones. Hazina any Samsung care, so when you take them to a repair center, if they have a problem, you will be charged for those services. So when you're shopping with us, you have 2 options. You can either save with the Dubai or West African smartphones, or get peace of mind with the full East African warranty package. And remember, warranty haimaanishi simu itaribika. It just acts like a safety net for consumers. So, know your warranty, know your gadgets, and shop smart. See you on the next one.